When we talk to our smaller customers, or I mean even bigger ones, to be honest, they tend to neglect the previous customers they've had before.
How many PMSs are you currently working with?
Yeah, I mean, we're going through a list, and so far we're connected to 50 PMSs worldwide. So, there are generally a PMS in pretty much every country that has some kind of number of inventory there.
What stipulations do you look for in a property owner so they can come onto your platform? Do you have a criteria? Like how does that work? If I want to come to you, do you have a process that you look for before you agree to work with somebody?
We do. I mean, we're aiming towards probably the larger property management segment. So we have a minimum of 10 properties. For those guys who are less, we have some PMS partners that would be happy to recommend to. So you can get access to our channels, but through this PMS.
What is the one big mistake that you see other accommodation owners make when it comes to marketing their property online?
For us, it's always been about quality of content.
When we're talking about the niche websites, do you have a full catalog that when I log into my sort of dashboard, do you have all of these websites available to me, or do we work together? I would work with your team.
It varies on client by client, depending upon what kind of level of help they need and support. I mean, everyone will get an account manager. Everyone gets an onboarding period where they get trained in how to onboard to these channels.